Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Airtable for keyword research databases. To begin, navigate to the Airtable website using your preferred internet browser. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button prominently displayed at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be presented with multiple options to create your account. Choose the option that suits you best, such as signing up with Google, Apple, or via email. If you opt to sign up with email, fill in your email address in the designated field. Next, create a secure password that meets the platform's requirements. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the form. You may need to verify your email address to activate your account. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Airtable. Open the email and click on the verification link provided to confirm your address. Upon verification, return to the Airtable website and log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Airtable dashboard. To start creating your keyword research database, select the option to create a new base. You will be given the choice to start from scratch or use a template. Using a template can save time and help you structure your database effectively. After choosing your preferred option, give your new base a descriptive name. Now, set up your tables based on the categories you want for your. Each table can represent different aspects of your research, like keyword ideas, search volume, and competition. After creating your tables, customize the fields to include essential information. You can add fields for keywords, search volume, keyword difficulty, and other relevant metrics. Airtable allows you to choose different field types, such as single-line text, numbers, or drop-downs. Fill in your database with initial keyword data for easy reference. To enhance your workflow, utilize Airtable's sorting and filtering features. Experiment with views like grid, calendar, or Kanban to visualize your data. Make sure to give your base a clear structure so it's easy to navigate. Once satisfied with the setup, invite team members to collaborate if needed. You can share your base by clicking on the Share button and entering their email addresses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.